Can I recover an invalid Gmail account?
Hello viewers. Today, we'll be talking about an issue that may trouble many of you: how to recover an invalid Gmail account. Yes, you heard it right. Even if your Gmail account is termed as invalid, there might still be a chance to recover it. We're here to guide you step by step through this process. And remember, the sooner you act, the better your chances of recovery.
Why is my Gmail account invalid?
Firstly, let's understand what makes a Gmail account invalid. The term invalid is typically associated with Google's inability to recognize an account. This could happen due to several reasons. For instance, the account has been deleted, the username was changed, or the account might be temporarily suspended due to suspicious activities. Hence, understanding the cause can help you choose the correct path of recovery.
Can I recover my invalid Gmail account?
The answer is, generally, yes. However, the process of recovery depends heavily on the status of your account and the issue leading it to be invalid. Google has mechanisms in place to recover accounts that have been deleted, hacked, or blocked. The most important thing to remember here is, the sooner you start the recovery process, the higher your chances are of getting your account back.
How do I recover my invalid Gmail account?
Now that we've established the possibility of recovery, let's walk through the steps. 1. Visit the Gmail sign-in page. Start the process by going to the Gmail sign-in page and entering your Gmail address. 2. Forgot password. When prompted for a password, click on Forgot Password. Google will now try to verify your identity. 3. Verify your identity. Google will ask you questions related to your account to verify your identity. These questions can be about your last known password, a verification code sent to your phone, or secondary email, among others. Be as accurate as you can with your answers. The more accurate information you provide, the better the chances of recovery. 4. Account recovery form. If Google can't verify your identity with the initial questions, you might be directed to fill an account recovery form where you'll be asked more detailed questions. This could be about when you created your account, emails in your inbox, contacts in your account, and more. Remember, the success of recovery will depend on how accurate the information you provide is. So, try to recollect as much information as you can about your account. So there you have it, folks. That's your guide to recover an invalid Gmail account. Remember, the key to account recovery is providing as much accurate information as possible and acting fast. We hope this video helps you in your journey to reclaim your Gmail account. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any queries or suggestions. Until next time, stay safe and secure.